Another major headline from the governor's announcement, a program called the Colorado Childcare Collaborative. While the state recommends all early child care centers try to keep their doors open, this program will specifically focus on making sure families that have to work away from home have a place to send their kids. CBS 4's Karen Morfitt live tonight. Karen, it's a statewide network to support many of those mission-critical workers right now.
That's exactly right, Jim. And despite that recommendation from the state to stay open, many of the child care facilities across the state decided to close down anyway due to health and safety concerns. Well, now the state is asking those that remain open and those willing to come back and support that workforce. As schools, restaurants, and a number of other public spaces started closing their doors, child care facilities were forced with a decision, one that Mile High Early Learning CEO Pamela Harris says was not made lightly.
As it was coming closer to our community, we did not want to wait for a positive confirmation, frankly. We wanted to see what we could do to prevent that.
On Wednesday, Governor Jared Polis announced the formation of a new coalition of emergency child care providers. Mike Johnston with Gary Community Investments is helping coordinate the state's efforts, using a new website that connects those wanting to help with those in need of care.
So whether you are a nurse or maintenance worker at a hospital, or whether you are a policeman or a firefighter or emergency medical technician, or whether you work with high-risk populations like long-term care or mental health facilities, we're going to help ensure that those people can get access to child care.
Schools with empty classrooms, community rec centers, and established care facilities with open space are responding to the call. Harris says it's something they are considering, but with everyone's safety in mind.
People really want to help and really want to ensure that those people whose job is to take care of us are also being taken care of.
Now, Johnson says they are working with state agencies right now through this whole process to work on some of those safety concerns. Their plans are to reduce class sizes as well as the student-to-teacher ratios. That would help limit transmission risks in these daycares. And as far as getting signed up for this, we have all the information online. If you're a provider and you want to help, or if you're in need of some daycare, you can also get online on that website. And we do have that information at cbsdenver.com. For now, we're live in Denver. Karen Morfitt covering Colorado First.